Let's talk about the trade war and soybean farmers in Arkansas. Soybeans are the second most valuable U.S. crop after corn, covering about a third of American farmland. In Arkansas, they're even more important. Soybeans take up nearly half of the cropland and make up about a third of farm income. But this year, farmers there have been hit from every direction. Three major challenges stand out. Number one, falling demand and prices. China, once the biggest buyer of U.S. soybeans, has completely stopped buying because of the trade war. Instead, they're sourcing record amounts from Brazil, Argentina, and Uruguay. U.S. soybean prices have dropped nearly 40% since 2022. Number two, flooding. 2025 brought unusually heavy rains and flooding destroyed thousands of acres of farmland. Number three, rising costs. Even as soybean prices fall, expenses for fertilizer, fuel, and equipment remain high. So why do we care? Most farmers depend on seasonal crop loans to buy seed and supplies, betting that the harvest will cover the debt. With lost fields, weak prices, and fewer buyers, many can't pay those loans back. Farm groups warn that up to a third of Arkansas farms could fail without immediate help. And this isn't just a local issue. Soybeans are crushed into meal for livestock feed and oil for cooking. While cheaper beans might sound like good news, the effect won't last. If farmers cut back or go under, it raises the cost of meat, milk, eggs, and packaged foods. What begins as a farm crisis quickly turns into higher grocery bills for families everywhere. Big picture, farmers say relief from federal programs like the Big Beautiful Bill could help, but funds won't arrive until 2026, far too late for many. That leaves small family farms especially at risk. And here's the reality. Arkansas is a deeply red state, and many farmers there voted for Trump, who imposed these tariffs. But soybeans don't care about politics. If small farms disappear, large corporate producers will step in, leaving less competition and more concentration in our food system. For farmers, it means survival on razor-thin margins. For the rest of us, it's a reminder that what happens in rural America eventually shows up at the grocery store checkout. Subscribe for more simple market and economic updates.